0 and 10 is 10 newtons. If you wanted 12 newtons, waiting for a little click. That was it. That's it. Drained all the oil out of the bike, most of the oil needed. Just because it's a hell of a lot easier to add oil to the, but by doing that, you've loosened up that washer that needs is.
Does that 3.8 litres include the oil?
And rebuild the engine. Then it's about 4 litres because they assume there's a couple of hundred. Too quickly, it's just going to blast down the top.
Warming the bike.
But the oil hasn't flowed around. And the pump is going to suck all the oil out of the bottom. It's going to pump it from the top of the engine and come back down. Let it flush the oil through the system.
What do you prefer?
Yeah. Bikes will burn a tiny bit of oil normally.
What's this oil? Is this a coolant?
With the engine temperature, making sure because metal expands. Yeah, G1.6. But because it doesn't.
Last clarification of this.
So that ended up being. So that is the oil change part of the service. So it's actually
got one all the time.
And yeah.
Well, it goes like that up
Just knowing that things are secure and they're not going to cause more damage. That's the way it goes.
Okay. And both of them are the same. Front or
Almost
back.
always, yeah.
Very much.
Yeah, we're a very dog-friendly space here. Reusable filter. So this is just a paper cartridge filter. There are some cans that say that you should not oil it together. Pull it out, put it back in. As long as you clean it with the correct cleaning process. I'm going to spit my hand out. I always want to spray inside. Yep, keep going. And you want to be pretty liberal with it. Get in there and clean all the angles.
Phil and his little Sherby.
Yeah, it's not a big difference on this particular. Now keep an eye on that. Once the starter motor stops and the bike is running, what more often happens is they catch fire.
And all of the compression and the damping seems to have been done in the spring unit, which is separate to this because it's got this